Hi guys, how we doing? I know I look a bit of a hood rat, look a bit of a tramp, but I haven't been too well, hence why I haven't been too active on here the last few days. Yeah, I had a touch of the flu, which got hold of me pretty bad, so nearly gone, but still feeling a bit rough, so wrapping up warm. But yeah, excuse the tramp look. But yeah, I'm still getting a lot of questions about auto traders. Auto traders are very popular, but you have to be very careful with them. You know, they don't. Let's get rid of that. I'll tell you what though, that's pretty good. This has come up. It's very good if you need any help. They're very responsive on here. So yeah, they're very good. You have to excuse me if I'm a bit vague, but I'm still a bit spongy. Um, yeah, auto traders. There's been a lot of bad ones around. If you do get a good one, they can be very good, but you do need to be very careful. Now, I haven't got a so-called auto trader at the moment that I'm using, but the nearest two things is Crypto Masterbot, which gives you signals and then you place those signals, but it's very, very simple, or BinBot Pro, where you've got robots, similar sort of thing, but you've got robots, you click on the robots and the robots place the trades. Excuse me. So yeah, as you can see, I've had another withdrawal. I've got $673 dollars in there. Withdrawals go through very quickly, as it's with Bitcoin, goes through very, very quickly, very smoothly. I've placed a couple of trades today. If we just have a look, 2 losses and 1 winner. So not great, but can't win a coconut every time. You know, you've got to expect losses. So let's go back to the robots. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to place some, let the robots run the robots. Sorry, excuse me, I'm fucking not quite with it. Run the robots, and then I'll come back a bit later with the results. Like what I'm sticking to is I'm sticking to using the top 4 robots only because they've got a higher profit percentage rate, and that's what I've used so far, and that's worked for me. So I mean, I've got nothing against the other robots, the other 6 robots. They've got lower profit percentages, but so far what's working for me is using the top 4. So basically how it works, for anyone that doesn't know, I'm sure you do, because I say I was a bit late doing this, but it places 10% of your balance. So 10% of your balance will place on a trade. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to run Crypto ADX, risk across, X profit, and Ichimoku Crypto V2. I'm going to let them run, let them do their thing. You should see it should play some trades down here. My fat ugly head isn't over the top of it. And then I'll come back a bit later. Now, when I say I'm coming back a bit later, I'm not walking away and just letting it do it. What I do is I let it play some trades, stop the robots, wait for those trades to come in, and then depending, you know, if they all lose, I'll leave it and I'll walk away. If you know 3 out of 4 win, then I'll carry on. So it's not a case of just walk. I mean, it's personal, not how I do it personally. It's not a case of just fucking off and letting it just place trade after trade after trade. I stop it after each. I find it normally does 3 or 4 trades in a row. They should come up any minute. You'll see them come up here. And then I'll stop the robots, and then wait for them to come in and then place some more. But rather than keep starting and oh hi guys, we're back, and then stop and then start, I'll just let it do it, and then I'll show you the end results at the end. So I'll just wait for it to play some trades. Typical, it's not doing it. Oh yeah, the balance has gone down. Something's happened. I didn't see them. Oh, there we go. There we go. So there's 4 trades here. You probably can't see those bottom 2 because of my head. So I'll stop them now. Wait for those trades to come in, and then depending on whether have I got them all? Yeah. Depending on the outcome of that, then I'll play some more, and then I'll be back with you soon with the results. So please excuse me if I'm a bit sound a bit bunged up and everything else, and I'm a bit fluffing my words, but I still don't feel that great. But I had to get back in and do some more trading. But yeah, I'll be back with the results of this shortly. But I say it's just really because it's the nearest thing to. Yeah, so there's those last trades there, the 2 lost and the 1 that's won, and then there's these 4 that are open. So I'll be back shortly. But so it's just because people keep asking about auto traders. It's not an auto trader, but this and Crypto Master are the simplest 2 platforms that I use that are performing well. But yeah, I'll be back shortly with the results from this. Okay, so I'm back and let's have a look. Yeah, pretty good. Look, all these have won. That last one's lost. and then we've got the first three, the 2 losses and the wins, but the rest have come in, which I'm very pleased about. Yeah, very pleased with that. So all those trades, majority of them have come in, and then that last one there has lost. Now I did stop in between each ones and just to check if they had lost, I would have stopped it. Let's just go back to the robots. So there, you can see my balance is at 966.83. Now, I know that doesn't seem a lot. I know it's almost double from what I started with in only a few minutes. But I know it doesn't seem a lot. But if you imagine when your balance is up higher, like when I had it at like 40 grand, it was placing 4 grand trades. If you get a winning streak like that, you're making a lot of money fast. So where I've had a withdrawal, put it back low to make it a bit more realistic. For people, so it's only placing low trades. But you imagine if that's placing 10% of your trade, if you leave that balance in there like I did at the start, and it's just every time the balance is going up, it's placing bigger trades, you could be getting big returns. So those wins there, the majority of them are winners. Imagine that if you had, say, 20 grand balance and it's placing 2 grand a trade. So there is massive potential with it. But really, I just wanted to do a quick little video. So as people keep asking me, I've done a couple of MasterBot videos, so I just wanted to do another BinBot Pro video. I know there's only a few trades. I know that there isn't a huge great amount of profit, but it almost doubled in just those few, however many minutes that I did it. So, and the potential is there. Like I said, if you imagine you've got a bigger balance and you're placing bigger trades, imagine if you had 80 grand in there and it's placing 8 grand a trade and you get that amount of wins, you're laughing. But yeah, just a quick little update. So there's a lot of people asking me about auto traders. So BinBot Pro is the nearest, BinBot Pro and Crypto Master are the nearest that I use that are nearest to auto traders, although they're not auto traders. With BinBot Pro, you've got your robots, you pick your robots. Like I said, I just picked the top 4 because they've got the highest percentage rating, and that works for me. You know, I know that other people have messaged me saying that they've used the ones in the lower ones and they're working just fine. But just for me personally, you know, if it works, if it's not broken, don't fix it. So for me, that's worked so far using those top 4. So I'll carry on doing that. But yeah, you pick the robots you want to use, run those robots, and those robots will find the trades and place the trades. So you do get losing trades, but it's the name of the game. It can't be right all the time. And then Crypto Master Bot, that gives you the signals, and you decide what signals you want to place. But yeah, just a quick little video, that's all. But yeah, if you want to check it out for yourself, BinBot Pro, there's a link below this video. I know a lot of you already have tried it, but I do get quite a few questions and emails about it. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Don't forget, subscribe if you're not subscribed. Don't forget, thumbs up if you like the videos. And I said, if you want to check out BinBot Pro for yourself, there is a link below this video. Sorry that I look like a tramp, but I just don't feel great. And yeah, I'll be back with you soon with more updates and reviews. Thank you.